Confidence and hard work is the best medicine to kill the disease called failure. It will make you a successful person. Hello friends, welcome back to Signature Turned Autograph. I hope you all are well and safe. So let's start with today's story. This story is about one of the best Indian obesity surgeons. He is one of the only Indian surgeons to have demonstrated live surgery in almost every Asian country. Yes, this story is about bariatric surgery specialist Dr. Mufazzal Lakdawala. So let's know more about him in detail. Dr. Mufazzal Lakdawala, better known as Dr. Mufi, was born on 22nd November 1968 in a middle-class Muslim family in Mumbai. He did his MBBS from Grant Medical College of Mumbai. Later, he pursued Masters in Surgery from B.Y.L. Nair Hospital, Mumbai. While he was in college, he met the Bollywood actress Aditi Govitrikar, who was his junior in college. Soon they became friends and fell in love with each other. Dr. Mufi and Aditi's parents opposed their marriage due to their different religions. Despite all the oppositions, the couple got married in both Hindu and Islamic wedding ceremonies. Aditi converted her religion and changed her name to Sara Lakdawala. They dated for almost 7 years and in 1998 the couple got married. In 1999 the couple was blessed with their daughter Kaira. Dr. Mufi started his career as a lecturer at B.Y.L. Nair Hospital. Then in 2004 he did his training in advanced laparoscopic colorectal surgery in South Korea. The same year, he founded Digestive Health Institute in Mumbai. In 2006, he did his training in bariatric surgery from the United States. Till date, he has performed the largest number of single incision sleeve gastrotomy surgeries in the world. He is the first surgeon to conduct laparoscopic gastric bypass in India. He has a record to operate 30-year-old woman having a live worm inside her bile duct, that too with minimum body aches. He has also performed bariatric surgery on the heaviest man in Asia, who weighed all of 285 kg in China. In 2017, Dr. Mufi was engaged in a controversy when the world's heaviest Egyptian woman, Imam Ahmed, was brought to India for bariatric surgery and Dr. Mufi was looking after her case. Later, Imam's mother and sister accused Dr. Mufi of not treating Imam properly. This is what Imam's sister Saima said in an interview. Imam has not recovered one bit. She is in critical condition since past 1.5 months and is on massive medication to stop brain activity. And Dr. Mufi in his defense said, Imam is fine and is doing good. She has recovered well. Actually, everything was right with Saima for initial 15 days after Imam's treatment started. But when she recovered and we suggested that she can be taken back to Egypt, Saima started to create all this drama as she doesn't want to take her sister back to Egypt due to financial reasons. Coming back to his personal life, in 2007, Aditi gave birth to her second child, Zian. But soon their happy married life started facing problems, and they decided to get divorced in 2008. Reportedly, their different lifestyle was the reason behind the rifts, as Aditi had started her career in modeling and acting, whereas Dr. Mufi continued in his medical profession. In 2011, he got married for the second time to Priyanka Kaur Lakdawala in Goa, who is working at Digestive Health Institute, Mumbai. The couple was blessed with a baby boy Kian soon after their marriage. In 2020, Priyanka gave birth to twins, a son and a daughter, and their names are Ari and Mia Mufazzal respectively. Dr. Mufi has also performed bariatric surgeries on many popular Indian politicians including Nitin Gadkari, Nawab Malik and many more. Dr. Mufi has received many awards and one of them is Humanitarian of the Year by All India Human Rights Association in 2007. In an interview when he was asked about his journey as a successful surgeon, he said, "The journey of a young middle-class Muslim boy from Bindi Bazaar to being the surgeon of the Vice President of India has been exciting to say the least. No member of my family was a doctor to lead the way. It has been a journey of personal ups and downs that did not deter me from my goal of making a mark in the surgical world. There was a lot of hard work and sleepless nights, with only one aim, to somehow save another life. I learned that maximum satisfaction one achieves is not by making the big bucks, but by giving back to the less privileged."